Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul to do. I got some tools from Home Depot, just a few little items. And after this video, I also have one from Lowe's. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Alright everybody, so I picked up this Milwaukee 8-in-1 compact ratcheting multi-bit driver, and we're going to open these while we're doing the video. Harbor Freight scissors. Item number for this Milwaukee 8-in-1 compact ratcheting multi-bit driver is 48-22-2330. On the back, it says that these bits are also power tool compatible. The one thing I don't like right off the bat is it's very coarse tooth. There, watch. Let me grab another one. Okay, so this is a very old Cobalt. This is a Cobalt's probably, I think, about 15 or 17 years old. Might be a little less than that, I don't remember. I just remember buying it a long time ago. You can hear how coarse it is. It doesn't have very many teeth. And this one, it doesn't seem to have very many teeth either. I like that it locks in the center. It's nice. I just wish it was more like this Husky right here. This Husky is definitely a fine tooth. I think that, you know, if Milwaukee ends up watching this, you know, I would love to see Milwaukee come out with these exact same multi-bit drivers, just with fine teeth would be a lot better in my opinion. Yeah, this one's definitely fine tooth. This is how little it turns. Doesn't turn very much. So yeah, this is definitely an older style coarse tooth, similar to this old Cobalt, which you could see that it's been used and abused. Put that one aside, because even my Snap-on is a lot finer tooth than this Milwaukee. Even the gear wrench I have is also a lot more finer tooth as well. But it will come in handy. It will do what I need it to. I probably will not be picking up the full-size one of these though, because of the fact that it's coarse tooth. I'll just stick to the little one because I needed the little one right now. Because most of the ones I have are all these full size, so the little one will come in handy. And then let's see if I can get. There's that. And this one, this Husky, is a 12-in-1 quick load ratcheting screwdriver. It comes with 1/4-inch double-ended, 6 1/4-inch double-ended bits stored in handle slotted bits, 3/16 of an inch and 1/4, Phillips bits 1, 2, and 3, square bits 1, 2, and 3, and star bits T10, T15, T20, and T25. Oh, it might have. No, I don't think it has any. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, there is 12, yeah. 12 double-sided. See if I can get this out of the package. And it is, just so everybody knows, it is item number for Husky 1001855882. Fits out. So this one has a collar right here. You slide the collar down and it releases the bit. Kind of shows it working. If you guys can see it, it's kind of hard. You turn this collar. Left and right, and then in center it locks it so you can use it as a screwdriver. It does lock them in. I'm not sure how it locks them in because none of these bits have detents, so not sure how that works, but slide all these in here. Sorry about that. I'll mess with it later. It's nice. It's pretty heavy. I like that it's heavy. It definitely has a really nice fine tooth. And then I'll just show you this one real quick. This will also be in the Cobalt haul, but I'll show this one real quick. This is the Vince from VCG Construction was talking about this on his live stream earlier today. It is Sunday, November 3rd. If anybody wants to go check out his live stream, I will leave a card up here for VCG Construction's channel, and for that Lowe's stuff he was showing off today. But this one is called a double drive Cobalt. So this one, it will actually replace this older one I have right here, which is coarse tooth. This one you can lock it in the center, but it's got some chowdering on the reverse, or Titan. It's got chowdering on Titan, and all the little springs in here, or the little clip, there's supposed to be like a little metal retaining clip that slides into these two holes, and it fell out so the bits don't stay in because this one's not magnetic. I believe this one is magnetic, but I like this one. You just, reverse is down, or right and left. So this one actually is a double drive, so the handle turns, so you can do this, similar to this ratchet that I have over here. It's pretty similar to this 3/8 drive Bosch stick ratchet I have. You can turn the handle, which is a double drive. So I picked that one up. This one is also a really fine tooth. And you can also turn it like this if you want. So up is for left, down is for right. And if you put it in the middle, the handle just turns. It just free spins. So it doesn't have a lock position, so this always acts as a double drive. But I also like that they put this here. So that will be in the next video. This one is part number 0525791. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.